Yo, what is up, my homeboys? Today, we'll be playing Zombie Tag. My name
No.
is Rimuru. This is my buddy
You sound
Conan.
so sad. You sound so sad, man. I'm happy. We want to record.
I do like
want to record.
recording, but yeesh, man.
My
Takes a
name is
toll.
Smiley, and this is Frowny. How's it? I'm doing great today. I hate my life.
True.
We should probably go. We should probably go the other way.
Fuck. Fuck!
What?
When you ran around the table, I met you right around here.
Now it's time to pulverize this fuck with my Bergen truck.
It seems you're out of luck.
Truck!
Oh.
Wow. Just so you know, if you know me, I will be making facts on this. So, I'm going to start with a fact about the zombie. So the infected, aka the zombie, will have red smoke going around them.
No, you have to turn that setting on, I'm pretty sure. I don't think I turned it on.
You mother trucker.
It's off by default.
It hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
I think they might be in this area.
Shut your bubblegum dum-dum.
Yes. I know you're in there, I can see your name.
Pulverize this fuck with my Bergen truck. Okay, we need more people before we start the game.
Alright.
I have a
Someone
question.
leave?
Yes.
Who the fuck would willingly buy a trail?
No one.
And there's,
People who play Fortnite.
And there's multiple
Fortnite.
trails. Why the
I
fuck
play
are there so many
Fortnite.
trails and a fucking zombie?
I only play it if my friends want me to play it. That's all.
I stream it. I'm not very good, but I stream.
I have over 200 wins.
Okay.
Get on my.
So, I don't know if it's good, but my first time
Bro,
I played, I got gold weapons.
Pulverize this.
Playing more weapons.
Hey, Conan,
Rim.
want me to show you a
Rim.
super cool secret hideout?
Sure. Wait, what?
Alright. So it starts with us going to the cafeteria.
Right here.
We gotta make it to the cafeteria alive.
Shut up.
And then watch. Follow me.
It's at the spot right here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure everyone knows about the spot.
Not everybody, because... Conan? Okay, because I hide here almost all the time and I never get caught. No, it's best if we stay right where the Fazbear plushie is.
Nah, I'm bored.
Driving in my car. Now there are also secrets. As you have seen, there are secret ways to get in and get out. There are all kinds of secret hideaways. And there are a lot of them. Jeff, that is one of the worst hiding spots. I can see you. Fuck! this shit. I'm about to. Fuck this shit. Fuck.
Take the pepper crystal. Take the pepper crystal. Take the pepper crystal.
Why?
What the fuck? I didn't even know this was here.
Oh.
My friend Shiny.
I know Shiny. Shiny's our friend too. But that means... Wait. Yeah, that means he's joining. Gotcha. Seems you're out of luck, bud.
I found the last person.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, Conan's still out and about, but... Hi.
Damn it.
I told you, I told you that's not a good spot.
I know, but I lasted for a good while.
Conan's left.
Yes, Conan is left. Or maybe he's right. Now let's pulverize that fuck with my Birkin truck.
I got him!
Mother trucker, dude.
Absolutely
fuck were you?
bullshit.
Hi,
There's no
Shiny.
way that
Hey, Shiny.
you could be
Wait.
faster than me. I found him behind the
Do you have
bathroom
an
stall.
ibuprofen? I have a headache.
I do.
I got a headache.
I do actually have ibuprofen. I could go and grab it right now, but then I would be obligated to have one. If I grab it, I
Do you
must
wanna-
take some.
Do you know how goddamn tired I was when I woke up?
No.
I'm about as tired as
3
me because
hours
I
later,
fell
my-
asleep.
3
I fell
hours
asleep
later, my
right
nose
after
are
I
s-
went.
my nose
I
is
fell
still
asleep
clogged.
right after I got up.
My nose has been clogged for 3 hours.
Shiny is a demon in this game. By the way, Rim, I stopped recording. I'm gonna let this be your.
Go, 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 go. Oh, shit. There's another. Okay, then.
Fuckers fell.
That was your fault.
I fucking fell.
My name AF. Okay. Now, I know you guys. I think you guys might have heard in some of my other videos that I say I miss my girlfriend. Well, I missed my girlfriend so much that I was like, you're not loving me enough. So I decided to leave her. She's gone now. So if you like me and you like my videos, please call me. I'll put my Discord in the link in the description below. So, what's your guys' thoughts on the new Zombies movie, Zombies 4? It's pretty good, but it's a sequel, so it's not better than the original. This is too easy, guys, so why don't you hit that like and subscribe for more secrets in different games? I can show you the world. The wonderful world of VR chat. We're doing this too easily. We're making it. So easy. They're making it so easy.
Where the fuck were you?
Magicians never reveal their secrets.
That is the fucker that was fucking invisible.
I was not invisible.
Then where the fuck? Goku Black?
It's a nit.
You're recording.
That's why I didn't finish. Bruh.
No.
What the hell? What is happening?
No.
It's the zombie.
Hello again.
Fuck. Fine, I'll humor them.
How the fuck did you find?
Zombie. It's the zombie gas.
Okay.
It's not very nice.
So, you decided to meet me here.
Sorry, brah.
I know. Wait a minute.
Now it's time for Shiny and my BFAM, brothers from another mother, are left.
Where's my friend?
Can't wait to beat you. This is hard, man.
Because no one would actually see you first.
So?
You
I
can
don't
actually
fly,
see
it
him.
doesn't matter. It doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
it'd still be.
Well, hey, they should still see it.
Seconds left when you.
Oh, Shannon. So you know whenever you were chasing me and I just disappeared? So in that bathroom exit, there's another secret room on the back wall. I ran in there.
Fuck you.
I don't have that unlocked yet.
Damn.
You gotta show me. Bruh. Not again. Not again. Not ever.
Who wasn't
Paula.
willing to be the zombie that got a
It was
respawn?
Paolo. It was Paolo. He left.
I was gonna say that's the second time that happened.
This is it. Alright, so it's the one down here.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Close it back.
I'm trying, man. Or.
Oh.
Bro, where'd you go?
Expecting to see you. Right here. Yikes.
How'd you teleport?
Oh no. Was shining behind you?
No, luckily.
If they find us, can we go back through and just loop them around again?
Sounds like a plan. It's only us left. If we stay here for another minute and a half, we're good.
Holy fuck, I'm coming.
Why? Yeah, this is becoming pretty quiet, but
Oh, motherfucker.
Rim, go.
I played this a long time ago.
Rim, go.
So.
I'm sorry, buddy. Are you doing my plan? Oh. Didn't know about this one either.
There we go.
why'd you leave, you moron?
I got him. I found him.
Why'd you leave, you idiot? And that will be it for today's video because obviously we are incompetent.
Technically, he didn't give it away. The red